Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Then, from the screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. You need to do exactly the same on the other device. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Samsung and send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, only for example, just send and click on get it. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and connect our devices by tapping on receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!